everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to be doing a full bow tutorial using all of the parts. In the last couple uploads we have a twisted boutique bow and a surround bow. We have spikes, pinwheel base bow, and our side bows. I'm going to try to link where I got this ribbon down in the description box below, but it is a couple years old and I'm not sure if they're still selling it. If I can find it though, I will link it down below. But it's this really cute Evil Queen type ribbon. I've gone ahead already and glued the surround to the twisted boutique bow. But the supplies you are going to need are your bow parts. You're going to need a lined clip, lighter, scissors. You're going to need your glue gun and glue sticks. And you're also going to need some 3/8 inch ribbon to wrap the center of the bow. Now, as I said, I already got started by gluing the surround onto the twisted boutique bow. I like to start, though, at the bottom and glue the spikes to the base bow. Like so. I apologize if you can hear anything in the background. I live in Maine, as you can tell by the name, and they're busy cutting firewood so that it can cure for next year. So I apologize if you can hear that in the background. But there we go, base bow on our spikes. And at this point, I just run a line of glue and attach the twisted boutique bow and surround bow to the spike and base bow. Just like that. If you can see little gold flecks on my hands, I apologize. This glitter ribbon is shedding. If I had had different gold glittery ribbon, I would have used it, but there we go. We are attached. Now, before we add the side bows, we are going to attach the clip to the bow. I'm going to just run a line of glue and attach it right here to the bottom. Just like that. Press down, make sure it is stuck on really well. And as you can see, nothing is really firmly cohesively together yet. That's where our next step comes in. Take your 3/8 inch ribbon. I tend to like to match mine to my base bow, so if you can see, it's red. We're going to use red. Same with the clip. It's not a requirement. It's just aesthetically, for me, it's what I prefer. And I open the clip a little. Line it up with the center and then just hold it down for a moment. While I'm holding it down, I take the clips that are holding the loops together off because they're going to be in the way in a moment. And then just take your 3/8 inch ribbon, wrap it around the center of the bow. Don't worry, your surround loops will come off of your twisted boutique bow loops. You can fix them. It's not a big deal. I like to pull really, really tight on this center wrap ribbon so that it keeps everything nice and secure. And then just a little dot of glue right there inside to attach the ribbon. Again, I like to pull tight. Give it a second or two to solidify, or at least somewhat solidify. And I cut that smidge on the crooked side. And if you don't want to push down with your fingers once you heat seal, you can use the end of your lighter like I just did. It's still a little bit too much. All right, let's come back and fix this twisted boutique bow and surrounds because it is a little messy. And we're gonna need it in a better position when we glue on the side bows. So just get the loops back into the surrounds and pull them into position. At this point, make sure your loops are how you want them before you glue on the side bows. And that looks pretty good to me. I didn't include this in the supplies you were going to need. It is a helpful thing, but not required. And that is some clips to help you attach your side bows to the bow. It's not required. I just find it easier because I can lay my bow where I want it and grab a clip and literally just clip the side bow to the rest of the bow. Single prong works best for this. I find the double prong is just a little bit too bulky. Now, where these come into play, where they help, is not only do they hold it, but they also hold it while you adjust it to get it to where you want it exactly. That looks good. So we will go over to the other one on the other side. As you can see, I'm going to try to match it up to the other side as best as I can. That looks good. We'll come back around and yep, that looks good right there. There we go. So if you place your clips right, as you can see, I've left some room on the end of the side bows because I can bring the side bow back run a little bit of glue right there, and then press the side bow down, and do this all the way around the bow without worrying about the side bows being crooked because my fingers have shifted, because the clip is literally holding them in place. And we just keep going until we have reached the end of these side bows. And at this point, you can just take your clips out, the ones that are holding the side bows. And there you go. I still leave these in here because once I am done assembling the bow, what I will do is I use these cardboard trays. I put the bows in and then I spray them down in here with Stiff and Quick. I refer to these as my stiffening boxes. But there you go. It is sprayed. Sorry, I have a little bit of drip there. It is sprayed and stiffened, and once it is done, you can add any embellishments to it that you want. And it is ready to go. Thank you guys for tuning in for this very quick bow with me, I guess. But this is just assembling all of the pieces we have learned in recent tutorials into one big bow. If you guys have any suggestions for videos, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. If you have not already subscribed, click the subscribe button somewhere around here, and then make sure to click the bell right next to it. Set your notifications to all so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you are staying safe during these very, very trying times. And I will see you guys again with another tutorial. Bye!